Tired of overcomplicated security setups? Installing a Blink camera is easier than you think. I'll show you how in under 3 minutes. Hey, I'm Leo from Smart Tech Pulse, and today I'll walk you through setting up your Blink camera step by step, fast, wireless, and no headaches. Step 1, open the box. You'll find your Blink camera mounting kit, and if you're using the Blink outdoor or indoor model, it'll include the sync module. Insert the included AA lithium batteries. Blink runs on these, so make sure they're fresh. Step 2, head to the App Store or Google Play and download the Blink Home Monitor app. Create or log in to your account. Step 3, if you're using a system with a sync module, plug it in and connect it to your Wi-Fi. The app will walk you through adding it. Just scan the QR code on the back. Step 4, tap Add Device in the app, select your Blink camera model, and scan its QR code. It'll sync up in seconds. Once it's connected, you can name the camera and place it in a group. Step 5, use the included mount or place it on a flat surface. For outdoors, keep it under an eave or in a weather-safe spot. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong where you install it. Optional, go into camera settings to adjust motion sensitivity and zones. This helps avoid alerts for every leaf that moves. See additional videos to set up motion zones and how to set up notifications. And that's it. Your Blink camera is now watching over your home. If you want to pick one up, check the link below for my top Blink camera picks and tips. More smart home guides coming your way. Subscribe and visit smarttechpulse.com for full reviews. See you next time, and as always, thanks for watching.